This is the robotic arm ZR Mini, which could work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. It is much smaller, more flexible, and easier to operate. You can build up a production line in 12 hours with the ZR Mini. We are now letting him make a cloud light. ZR Mini could satisfy different needs of application. It is extremely cost-effective. The production line applying a Z-arm could earn the cost back in 1/4. Through a secondary development process, ZR Mini could turn out to be your perfect assistant to provide you with solutions you want. By graphical teaching and automatic recording of motion tracks, a few steps can make it hand water for you. Or even accomplish more complicated tasks like laser engraving and 3D printing. Enter ZR Mini. ZR Mini robotic arms have been already put into use in thousands of production lines. It only costs you 1,000 yuan. On the basis of meet application needs, ZR Mini helps customers reduce their 75% costs and gain maximum profits.